Hi everyone. So I'm going to walk you through the review sheet page by page. Today is page 1. Just make sure you are trying this really on your own. You can do it with me, but don't just copy. Make sure you know how to do this and go from there. So the directions. Say solve these any way you wish, either by hand or on the computer, but show all your work. My videos will go over all the answers. Next week, there will be a geometry check-in, so use this week's review to figure out all your questions. Don't hesitate to email or stop in a Google Meet. All right, so here we go. Number 1, find the value of x in each figure. Okay, so we have to look at this. They're giving us this angle is 72, and this one is x plus 4. Hopefully you can tell all together that's going to be a 180. So these are supplementary angles. So I'm going to say x plus 4 plus 72 all together should be 180. And I'm just going to solve that. So 4 and 72 is 76. I'm going to subtract the 76. I'll use my calculator so that I don't make a mistake. 180, and you guys can use your calculator, totally fine. I'm getting 104. And all it says is to find x, but you know what? I'm going to sub it in here. 104 plus 4, this would be 108. 108 and 72, does that add up to 180? Yeah, so I'm going to kind of do a little check there. All right, number 2. Now this is interesting. 3 angles all together adding up to 180. So you've got the x plus the 92 plus the 78 all equals 180. All right, so 92 and 78, they're telling me is 170. Subtract the 170. And I'm down to 10. So if this was 10, if we added all these together, 92, 10, and 78, yes, 180, so it checks. All right, different picture here. Hopefully you can tell right away this is a 90-degree angle. So these are complementary angles. So the x minus 7 plus the 43 all together is going to be 90. Now watch out here, some of you guys have been missing this. This really is like a -7, guys. So when you type this in, you're typing in a -7 plus 43. All right, and that's giving us a positive 36. Watch out for that. Remember, you guys would ask me, is that a minus or a negative? Yes, it is. Because if you do keep, change, change, it's really like plus a -7. Same thing. All right, let's subtract the 36. And 90 minus the 36 is 54. Let's do a check. 54 minus 7 would be 47. 47 and 43? Yes, it checks. All right, good job, guys. Let's keep going. Okay. See, now look at 4 and 5. Same picture, different angles. 4, they're next to each other. So it helps maybe if you trace. There's a 180. Guys, I'm kind of making a protractor. You know how a protractor is 180 degrees? If you could sit a tiny protractor on there and together they would equal 180. This one is different. Can I sit a protractor on them? No, they're across from each other. This one's going to be vertical. This one's supplementary. So see if you can tell the difference there. All right, so this one, 3x plus the 117, is going to add up to 180. All right, subtract the 117. And we've got 180 minus the 117, 63. Divide that out and you're at 21. So what would 3 times 21 be? 63. 63 plus 117, 180. Perfect. Okay. Sorry, the zoom's losing it there. All right. So number 5, back to this one. See how they're looking at each other? This one's kind of pointing to this one. These are vertical. They actually equal each other, right? So the 6x angle, whatever it is, well, it's going to be 114. So to solve this, I'm just dividing by 6. 114 divided by the 6 is 19. So let's just make sure 19 times 6. Yep, same. Okay. Last one for the page. Dead giveaway. There's your 90. So you should know right away these are complementary, and they are going to add up to 90. All right, let's subtract the 42. 90 minus the 42 is giving me 48. Divide by 4, I'm getting x is 12. I'm going to check it. 4 and 12, that's 48. 48 plus 42, it's 90. Okay, so there's the first page. Hopefully you guys were good to go with that. Tomorrow we will do page 2. And then on Wednesday, page 3, you're going to do on your own. All right? Let me know if you guys have questions. Keep up the good work.